I overslept. It's too cold to wake up. Welcome to the Karoo. Yes, the first night in the tent in the Karoo. And look here. It's quite beautiful, but geez, I still got to break down the tent with these cold hands. Last night was my first night at -9 degrees. Kevin! Oh, Sonnetjie, asseblief kom uit. Asseblief. Jo, is ek 'n asmasjien. Yes, so. Hierdie Sonnetjie voel lekker op my vel. Oh. En nou raak dit warm. Nou begin ek sweet. Die Karoo is die vreemdste plek ooit. What the flip? My hande en my voete vries af. Dit is ontsettend bitterkoud. Even though speeding down the sparse feels thrilling, I have to stop and truly ingest this amazing Karoo. Yo. Okay, some pretty good news. It's only downhill from here till Kraddock. Skapies in die verte. Okay, now I'm gonna hop on the busy N10 highway. Let's see if it's going to be alright. Dis net trokke. As hy net sonder die koppie sit Kraddock. Ja, nou, dis eintlik 'n baie groot dorpie. Kyk al hierdie trokke. Hulle hou net nie op nie. Lekker, I made it to Kraddock.